up, guys? This is Disdain, and this is my first video with my new GoPro camera. Check it out, the 11. Here we go.
I'm knocking around now. I love this stand. I said I'm knocking around your pound for pounding. And I've been doing what I wanted, bitch. I'm never clowning. I've been making money, now I'm gonna keep it grounded. Yeah, they said I'm running around and breaking shit. I love it that they placing me, but no, these bitches hit my shit. I've been breaking it, yeah, fucking taking it, but never here faking it. So bitch, let me take my shit in.